Today we have Egg엔젤코코밍, and this is another Egg엔젤코코밍. This we're gonna open this and this box. This is my head size, I think. Okay. Let's see. This is what do we call this? A snowman. And we have an egg like this. We're gonna open and put this snowman in here. Let's see. Oh, like this. And close the egg. Close the egg like this. In here we have coco밍, and push this and open it. Then we can see oh my gosh, coco밍 and coco밍 figure snowman. I'm gonna his name is Snowman. Yes. And we're gonna open this big box. In here we have another box. Come out. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, a banana in here. There's what is this? Oh my gosh. Come out. Here, in here, it has car, and a nothing. Let's see in here. Oh, whoa! Look at this. Look at this. Wow. It's so cool. We have a milk here. And what's this? I think I cannot know. And I think this is a ruby. And another in here. Wow. Wow! Oh my gosh! What is this? Wow! And here we have this banana and a heart shape and ketchup. I think this is tomato, and this is sausage. And another ruby thing. And I think this is the last thing. This. A big. Now. Let's wait a minute. I'm gonna make this then we gonna meet again. Then I can show you around this. Okay. Hello guys. Now I made all this. Whew, I am so hard making this. Now, I'm gonna show you with this. Yeah. Right. Now I'm gonna turn this because I think you gonna not see. Now look at this. This is his egg. I think his home. Press this and open and put him in here. So then he gonna go sleep and put in here and open. Boop. You stay here when I around. This is what do we call it? A mixer and a fruit section. This is a banana. Happy banana. And a tomato. Like this. Ooh. Bread. And this. Whoa. It's very cool. Huh? And this is a milkshake. It has 3 milkshakes in here. And this is a yogurt and milk, ketchup, and what do we call this? I think a chip inside. Chip. And this is a candy, and this is another chip. Okay. And this is drinking or eat in sit here, and I think I'm gonna not know, but pop-up shop is growing, grow. And this is like a gum cart. And like this. And inside we have an egg. 6 eggs. And like this. What is this called? I'm gonna call this beanie bonji, I think. Put in here, and more. Let's do again. This is a bread, and what is this? This this is bread too. Ooh. Bread is so yummy. And the last one. This is what do we call this? I'm gonna call this a bread too, I think. Okay. Now, and this is I think this is Kesaki. Beep 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 ding. And we have a ruby inside here. Look at. Find some. Find some. Find some. Or you find? Where? Oh, here. Bingo! My hand is going in. I can show you my rubies. A heart ruby, heart ruby, and oh my gosh, I think this is a red ruby. I cannot think of this ruby. And a star pin ruby. So I'm gonna play with this. So I think I want to oh, and the last one. I forgot. Here. This is you got in here, put here. Huh, it's stuck. Boop. Yogurt is in here. And close this. Now let's play. Boop. Yes. Let's play. Boom, 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 boop. Oh. Hello everyone. My name is Guess. You don't know? My name is Nomi. Wee! I can show you. I have in my bag here a shovel. Now, let's go to the market. Oh! Wow! It's very nice in here. Oh, this is the gun card. What do I buy first? Oh, a banana. But where's the banana? I guess I'm gonna buy next time. Let's see on my list. I can. Oh, a tomato. Where's the tomato? Nowhere. Huh. I'm gonna just buy it on another day. A letter. It says go up. Okay, I'm gonna go up. Let's count the stairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I am so embarrassed. Why is in here a banana and a tomato? Oh my gosh. Let's buy 1 banana, 2 banana, 1 tomato. 1, 2. Let's go up again. A yogurt. Let's buy a yogurt and a milk. Milk is heavy. Milk is heavy, milk. Here's a ketchup. I need a ketchup too. Sorry. I need a drink. Guys, you find a milkshake, then call me, okay? Oh, I think no way. Aha! I find a milkshake here. It's very small. Oh, put in here, I think. Put in here. I need to put in here. Oh my gosh, where's that yogurt? In here. Boo. Let's go up. Huh? Let's go downstairs. Do. Oh, I found it. Boo. Huh, like this. I need an egg. Boo boo. 6 eggs. 6 eggs. Now I'm gonna buy. Do. I'm gonna buy this. Okay. Okay. Do. All done, and you can go. Come next time. Bye bye. Oh my gosh. Oh. Now I'm gonna go home. Then you can meet me in there. Bye bye. See you in my house.